pag-archive ay parang it's being just held in abeyance. Ika nga ay nilagay lang sa library. Nilagay lang sa library yung libro at pwedeng hiramin. At anytime may gustong hihiramin. So, to apply that, if indeed there is a change in the ruling of the Supreme Court, and it will order the Senate to resume.
Kung mahihiram na estudyante. Pero, Secretary,
kung ang sabihin ng Korte Suprema, kasi maraming pwedeng gawin ng Korte Suprema, na pwede nilang sabihin, they will just clarify the ruling, pero unconstitutional pa rin. So, wala pa rin yung pagbabago. Sabi nila, mali daw yung facts. Titingnan ulit ng Supreme Court yung pinagbasihan nila na mga facts and events that transpired. So, sasabihin nila na, alam mo kasi, parati nilang sinasabi, paring Eli, mali yung facts, lalo na itong bobo na Soto. Mali yung facts eh. Alam mo, sa Supreme Court kasi, the Supreme Court is not a trier of facts. It dwells on the question of law. And the question the question raised here is a question of law. It's not on facts. Kaya lang, clarificatory lang yung mga hiniling nila sa Congress about the facts. Pero ang tinumbok talaga nila, is it legal yung ginawa ng Kongreso na hindi ni-refer sa Committee on Justice? That's not a question of fact. Because wala talagang dumating na impeachment complete sa Committee on Justice. So, public knowledge yan. Inamin pa ni Reggie Velasco na hinold niya kasi may mga magpapile pa daw ng mga congressmen. So, it's a public knowledge. So, ito, balik tayo dito sa Francisco.
So, anong gusto mo?
Sige.